Dress game so proper, chain so big, can't pop my collar, can't pop my collar.
Hey baddies, what's up? It's your favorite baddie on a budget, Diamond K. Welcome back to my channel unless you're new here. If you are new here, go and make yourself at home. Okay, there are drinks in my fridge. Go and put your coats on my bed, get comfy. Because today we're going to have a Temu jewelry haul. So let's get right into it. So I ordered a bunch of jewelry from Temu. Okay, well here's the first one. Okay, wait, that's an earring. Okay, I was gonna say, are you serious? Like, I didn't even get to wear it yet. It is broken right here because there's no little circle hoop or whatever connecting it. Luckily, that's a problem that I can fix myself, but if it wasn't, I would be bitter right now. It's cute though. I'm kind of scared to try it on because of it being broken. I don't want to make things worse. Okay. It feels really nice. I can't tell if this is the type that would tarnish over time or not. I don't want to get too attached to it, but I mean, I could paint over this, but like, you know how much clear nail polish that would take? Here's the first item. Let me know what you guys think. I think I'll like it once it actually is like put together properly. I think I'll like it. They look beautiful. Actually, I was looking for something and I saw them sitting down and they just like are beautiful. So next we have another type of thing that's similar. It's another necklace. This one has an earring attached to it as well. I wonder, do they both come with earrings? So here's this one. I don't like this design as much, but I mean, I knew what I was getting when I got it. Like the other one because it's more extravagant, but this one is still great as well. I wanted some more African type jewelry rather than like all American. So here's this. It's definitely got a really long adjustment chain, so that's good as well. What do you guys think? This is pretty. I like it a lot. Honestly, I'm just looking for reasons to complain, but I don't really have any. It's nice. It's what I wanted. Yay. Heck yes. Thank you, Temu. Wow, yeah, these are stunning. I love them, and they don't feel like weak as heck. Based on the scale of what I wanted, I'm gonna rate it a 10. So, because this is, I mean, it's exactly what I ordered, and it's not broken like the other ones, so that's a plus. Okay, so now we have some smaller necklaces, so let's do this one first. This one's really cute to me. It's a leaf. It's like an autumn leaf, but it's small. Because all my necklaces are like over the top, and I realized, wait, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, guys, hang on. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I got this. Okay, guys, so here is the pendant. Isn't that absolutely stunning? It's more orange in person. It's like an auburn orange. This is adorable. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I bought this. I'm about to be wearing this all year long. I don't care. It's just so cute. And it's just very sparkly in person as well. Oh, damn it. I knew. I should have known. Should have known that was coming. This is so pretty. Not one part of me regrets this. Yeah, that is adorable. And I love the way that the chain shines as well. Turn back around, you jerk. Yeah, I like that a lot. Absolutely. It's so cute to me. Okay. Thank you, universe. Thank you, Temu. What do you guys think about this one? Let me know. This one's definitely a 10 in my opinion. This is so cute. I don't even know what I thought it was going to be, but I didn't think it was going to be this sparkly. So I'm easily pleased when it comes to sparkles and the color lavender. One of them came with these earrings. These came with the second necklace, by the way. I don't know if I'll plan to use them or not. I mean, might as well. These are very cute. I love it. Okay, so next I have this little rose necklace that we're about to dig into. Here's the pendant. I guess I had to put this one together myself. That's crazy. How dare they? Okay, that's pretty big. It's a big one. Wow, it's pretty though. It is pretty, especially on camera. Wow. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna attach this to this chain they gave me. This chain is tiny. I guess it's basically the same as the leaf one was. I got it in. Yay, that was way. Oh, now it's stuck in my shirt. Okay. This one is like a really long chain, so I hope it has lots of options to close it on. I don't know if it does. I'm not feeling many. Okay, I'm just gonna hold it up. I'll deal with that later. Yeah, here's this. This is really cute. I like this a lot. I feel like this is exactly what I wanted actually, because I wanted a simple thing that was still like big and noticeable. I don't like tiny things, but I have so many extravagant necklaces and like hardly anywhere to wear them to. So when I gotta go somewhere like a restaurant or like the dentist, this is the type of necklace that I would bring with me. I like that. I'm gonna give it a 10 as well. Now we have this little heart necklace. Do I have to put this one together or not? Okay, this one. Oh, I guess I did. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. It's trying to jump away. So this thread is tangled together for some reason. Okay, it came out. Okay, wait, this pendant is so pretty. I can't wait for you guys to see this. Okay, it took a minute, but I finally got this one on. It's very cute. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of it. I like it. It's simple. It's like the simplest necklace I'll probably ever have, since I like to be extra, but it's perfect for when you need a simple necklace for real. So yeah, again, I would just give it a 10. Okay, so now it's time for rings, and I did get 3 crown rings because that's my favorite kind of ring. But here's the first one. Isn't it so cute? I love it so much. I already actually have 1 crown ring, but it's gold. We need to spice things up a little bit. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. I really like it. Yeah, I love how vibrant the blue is. It could definitely have been much darker than that. I feel like it would just very well complement outfits. And then we have the same ring, but it's in purple. Purple and sparkles are my kryptonite, but I actually like the blue one more than this one. This one just kind of looks silver from your guys' view at least. It just looks, it looks more dim to me. I don't like the dimness. And I thought I wouldn't like this one that much, but I was wrong. This is so pretty. This is a silver one. It's a different shape, but it's so pretty and sparkly. I'm obsessed. Because I'm a gold person, but I still needed silver as well. I would say 10s, honestly. 10s for basically everything. The only complaint that I have was that necklace missing a piece. Other than that, honestly, yeah, I suggest. That was fantastic. Like, I'm so pleased with everything. Yay! Oh my gosh, I love this leaf necklace. Make sure you guys comment below which one your favorite was. I want to hear it. I also apparently got another set of those earrings. Wait a second. Bro, these earrings are also broken. Oh wait, maybe that's the piece that's missing. I don't even know. I don't even know. Oh well, whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna stop this video here. Thank you guys for coming. It was a pleasure doing a haul with you. Tune back in soon for more, and I will see you guys in my next video, okay? Bye.